Hey everyone, welcome to my explanation of exercise 13 from paragraph 7.2 special triangles. Let's take a look at 13a. Draw the isosceles triangle PQR with angle P being 90 degrees and PQ equals PR equals 3 centimeters. This is a new notation that you sometimes see. This means PQ is 3 centimeters, but also PR is 3 centimeters. Okay, and they ask you to draw this. It's important to state here that they say draw, not sketch. So I have to do it on scale. We're going to take a look at how we can sketch and the rules of sketching in a later paragraph. Here we're going to do it on scale. Angle P is 90 degrees and the two sides that are attached to angle P, you could say, are both 3 centimeters. So what I could do here, and please, you're going to use your protractor for this, right? I'm using this tool. I can now, if I want to, say, well, this is angle P. Then this is going to be Q, and this is going to be R. You could say, can I switch those two letters around? Well, normally if we name a triangle, we go against the clock when naming it, so P, Q, R. And to finish it, I would draw this line here as well, right? Please get used to making those notations right here to signify that this is a right angle. And since PQ and PR are of equal lengths, I can also do this, right? So this is the drawing, PQR with PQ being 3, PR being 3, and there's a 90 degrees angle here. That's exercise A. Exercise B. Which angle is the vertex angle? Welke hoek is de tophoek? Well, if you're going to take a look, there are two angles here that have the same value, that are going to be angle R and angle Q. That means that the remaining one here must be the vertex angle. So the vertex angle in this case is going to be angle P. Okay, how many degrees is the base angle in this case? Well, if you're going to check, you know that angle Q is equal to angle R, right? So we know they at least have the same value. What you could do right here is in chapter 7.3 we get a new rule which we could use here as well, but here take a look at theory part about right angle triangles. You see this is not only a right angle triangle, but this is an isosceles right angle triangle, een gelijkbenige rechthoekige driehoek. If that's the case, then you can already say that angle Q is equal to angle R is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, so that's because it's an isosceles right angled what? Triangle. Quite a mouthful, I would say. Right, so in this case you could say both those angles are 45 degrees. In 7.3 we get a new method in which we can always calculate angle Q and R, and they don't even have to be both 45 degrees, at least if PQ is not equal to PR. Okay, so that's going to be the end of exercise 13. If there are other exercises that you find difficult, please check them out on YouTube as well. Good luck!